All they care about work and the impact you have created over the years, the work, the skills that you have, right? The proof of work that you have. I mean, no hiring managers have that much time to see your long summary. Don't do that. Remove it completely. What they do, they will write the college name at the top. See, if you are an experienced person, who cares about your college? Who cares about your education? Who cares about the CGPA? How much percentage you got max? But personally, I would suggest you keep it simple, very simple. Keep it black and white. That's it. Not basically not putting the hyperlinks, not putting the इंटरनेट लिंक फॉर द लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल, नॉट पुटिंग द लिंक. मेरे लिए तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जब मैं किसी को रिफर करता हूँ ना, ऑलवेज सी कि लेट्स से आई एम रिफरिंग फॉर माय करंट कंपनी. हाय एवरीवन. So yeah, in this video, like I wanted to discuss the top 5-6 mistakes the people do in the resume. तो basically मैंने TopMate पर around 100+ लोगों से connect किया 1-1. तो what I realized that people still making so much mistakes. Even there are so much resources available to make the best resume for yourself. I don't know, maybe they don't research a lot, but that's why I thought let's make a video for the mistake. So the top 5-6 mistakes I have noticed, so I'm gonna point out those mistakes, and you must not do those kind of the mistake. It's really harmful for the your resume, and it reduces a lot chances for getting shortlisted, for getting the calls for the interview, and then you will end up complaining that you are not getting enough call for the interview. So okay, let's discuss all those 5-6 mistakes. What are the mistakes? The first mistake is that why you guys putting the colorful image on the resume. Who cares, right? So this is the first mistake I have noticed. Like everyone has put the Instagram type of the pictures. No one cares, bro. I don't see it. Even recruiters doesn't care about your picture. All they care about work and the impact you have created over the years, the work, the skills that you have, right? The proof of work that you have on the resume. That's all we care about, right? So if you have the pictures on the resume, just remove it completely from resume. The second mistake is that why you are guys writing the long summary on the resume. Who has this much time to read that summary, right? At least I don't see. Not me only. No hiring managers have that much time to see your long summary. Don't do that. Remove it completely. If you are fresher, then it might make sense bit, because you have a lot of the space, but you don't have that much skills, that much work, that much companies. So then you might write little very short summary about yourself, but don't write long summary. No one cares, bro. Just remove it completely from the resume. Okay. The third mistake, one of the worst mistake people do is ordering and the format of the resume, right? What they do, they will write the college name at the top. See, if you are an experienced person, if you are an experienced software engineer, who cares about your college? Who cares about your education? Who cares about the CGPA? How much percentage you got? All I care about your experience, your work experience. So work experience should be on the top. No other things should be on the top. Work experience should be on the top. In the second priority, the personal project should be there. Then your technical skills should be there. And then after that, write whatever the education background, achievements, all those things you want to write. But don't do this mistake that writing the college, writing the skills on the top. If you are fresher, then it makes sense, because you don't have any company don't have experience to write on the top, right? So in that case, mention your college, because this is the only recent thing that you have done, right? So put the college name. But if you are experienced, then don't do that. Put your experience only. Put your work experience. Put your industry level project. Now let's talk about the fourth point. The fourth point, I noticed that people make the resume colorful. आपको रंगोली नहीं बनाना है वहाँ पर. Most of the time, max to max, you can use the one or two colors max. But personally, I would suggest you keep it simple, very simple. Keep it black and white. That's it. All I care about the text that you write on the resume. Yeah, fifth mistake I have seen a lot. So in the current market, it really matters. This mistake you must not do. The mistake that, let's say, not putting the LinkedIn profile, not putting the hyperlinks, not putting the internet link for the LinkedIn profile, not putting the link for the LeetCode profile, not putting the link for the, let's say, you have the CodeChef profile. You simply can't say that you have solved the 500 problems on the LeetCode. So it's always better to put the proof of work as a link. So let's say you have solved the 500 problems on the LeetCode, just put your link in the resume, and the people go and see it. So it is just that, for everything, if you are claiming that you have done this, try to give the proof of work in form of link. If you don't have, then it's okay, but if you have already, then just try to put it, right? तो बेसिकली प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है यार, एटलीस्ट मेरे लिए तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। जब मैं किसी को रिफर करता हूँ ना, ऑलवेज सी कि लेट्स से किसी भी, जैसे लेट्स से मैं आई एम रिफरिंग फॉर माय करंट कंपनी, तो आई ऑलवेज सी द मेरे कंपनी का फॉर्मेट क्या है इंटरव्यू का लेने का, उनका प्रोसेस क्या है, इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस क्या है, एंड दिस गाय हैज़ ऑल दोज स्किल्स प्रूफ और नॉट इन द रिज्यूमे और नॉट. So let's say there is a one DSA round, I will see is this guy is capable to create the DSA round or not. If I have, let's say in my current company, if I have the LLD round, low level design round, then I will see is this guy know the OOPS language, or I mean has work on the OOPS languages on OOPS tech stack or not. So that's why I will try to see the systems and skills of that person. So that's how I try to take the frame of interview process of current company, and will take this resume and will try to fit in this frame. If this guy is passing this frame, then I will refer to that guy. So this is what I generally do, and I mean most of the लोग ऐसे ही करते हैं. So always put the proof of work, in short I want to say. Yeah, and last जो सबसे ज़्यादा हार्मफुल है आपके रिज्यूमे के लिए is that when you put your work, let's say अगर किसी कंपनी में आपने कुछ काम किया है, लेट्स से आपने मिंत्रा में काम किया है, लेट्स से ठीक है, आपने किसी माइक्रो सर्विस की एपीआई की लेटेंसी इंप्रूव की है, या कुछ परफॉर्मेंस इंप्रूव कर दिया, या कुछ लेट्स से लोडिंग पेज जो था फ्रंट एंड में वो आपने इंप्रूव किया है, तो जस्ट इंप्रूव किया है, जस्ट परफॉर्मेंस इंप्रूव किया है, जस्ट लेटेंसी इंप्रूव किया है, आप ऐसे मत लिखो. ये बहुत जनरल स्टेटमेंट है. इट डजंट मेक सेंस मच टू द रिक्रूटर एंड द हायरिंग मैनेजर. Always try to put your work in form of impact. Let's say even you are building a simple API, you have built the simple API and you solve some problem in the company. What was the impact, and what actually you have solved by using that API, and what was the business wise impact. So always see there is always some number for your work. Always try to put the work, I mean put the impact for that work, like percentage wise, I mean improve this much percentage, I mean second, whatever you want to, whatever the impact of that work. So basically don't write the very general statement of your work. Even it is the general statement, always see there is always some impact of that work, just put that. So it actually shows, it actually differentiate your resume from the normal resume, that you have, let's say you have done the 5 tasks, 5 projects. It clearly shows that you have created some impact, right? This is why it is very very important, putting your work in the best way. This is how, I mean this is how you make your resume the best in the current market. Don't write simply मैंने ये REST API बनाई, मैंने ये GET API बनाई, मैंने ये CRUD operation बनाया in the company. So always see it, always analyze it, and then try to put some number and impact wise your work. It makes really difference while shortlisting. So यार ये सब कुछ mistakes थी जो I always wanted to point out, because I have noticed a lot and people making the same mistakes again. Even internet पे इतना सब कुछ available है, I don't know why the people is still doing the same mistake. Forget about the freshers. I mean even experienced person, I mean detective with 5 years experience, even 7 years experience, जो मुझसे भी ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस हैं, they are taking the advice for the resume. They are also doing the same mistake. Don't do that. और in case, ये तो मैंने मिस्टेक की बात कर दी राइट. अगर इन केस आप ये चाहते हो कि इन प्रॉब्लम्स का सलूशन क्या है, आप क्या स्टेप बाय स्टेप मुझे बता सकते हो कैसे बनाते हैं रिज्यूमे. अगर ये चाहते हो तो लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड लेट मी नो इफ़ लाइक दिस वीडियो. एंड अगर कमेंट सेक्शन में अगर मैंने ज़्यादा कमेंट रिसीव की इस चीज़ की कि रिज्यूमे को स्टेप बाय स्टेप बनाओ, जो रिज्यूमे ऑलमोस्ट हर जगह शॉर्टलिस्ट होने के चांस रहे हैं. सो आई एम नॉट गिविंग द गारंटी, बट डेफिनेटली इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द माई रिज्यूमे हैज़ बीन शॉर्टलिस्टेड ऑलमोस्ट everywhere in India and outside of the India. So that's why I think I am eligible to say this, that yeah, definitely I can make the resume. I will go through the step by step, and I can help you to make this resume, and we'll make the dedicated video like how to make the resume impactful resume. The mistakes that I have shown here that you don't need to do, and by avoiding those mistakes, how to make the resume, that I can show you by making the dedicated video, right? So let me know in the comment section if you really want to one dedicated video for the resume. Even though I have made one video like some one year ago, but at that time mic was not working properly. That's why that time that video, I mean, most of the people didn't like. And let me know, I will make it again. आई थिंक यही सब मैं डिस्कस करना चाहता था जो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है आज के टाइम पर. आई मीन सी यार, आई मीन इट्स really important, and think about in terms of perspective from the company perspective, right? They are getting the 5,000 application, more than 5,000 application for the one openings. How they will shortlist, right? So that's why it's not just the work you have to do, it is you have to be really smart how to put that work in the best way on the resume so that it speaks on the behalf of you. This is what I'm trying to say, and that's why I point out all those mistakes what the people are making in the current market, so that you don't do it that. And I think let's end this video, and I think this is enough for this video. And let me know in the comment section, and if you like it, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know. I will try to improve it. And thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.